In this video, I am discussing O2 molecule formation and why O2 molecule are more than 15 electrons they have. Energy level diagram is different with the reasons with values I am discussing here. So we can see here without 2s 2p mixing, even we have previous JE question also based on this one. Up to nitrogen atom, we have energy difference between 2s and 2p is in terms of electron volts up to 6 electron volts. But after that, oxygen onwards 15 electron volts where that is. So more energy gap is there between 2s 2p orbitals. So whenever 2s 2p orbitals more gap is there, they can't overlap each other. You know that when either hybridization or molecular orbital formation, anything, the orbitals which will have same symmetry as well as same energy, those only can participate in mixing. That may be the formation of MOT or hybridization, anything that is. But here more energy gap means they won't mix each other. So that is the main reason why 2s 2p orbitals not mixing more than 14 electrons or oxygen onwards. Reason is more energy gap. That energy value is 15 electron volts. Got it? This is the main reason. Now I am showing here their energy profile diagram, energy diagram. So already you know that one. If two orbitals participating to formation of molecular orbitals, how many orbitals participating, that means only you can get it. Here 1s 2 orbital participating, then I am getting two molecular orbitals. One is we know that very well, that is bonding molecular orbital, which is lower energy always. This is 1s orbital, that is sigma 1s orbital. Upper one we call that is anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So star which we are showing, that is anti-bonding, normal one is bonding molecular orbitals. So similarly here, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Next one with respect to p orbital. So here 6 orbitals participating to form molecular orbitals. So 6 molecular orbitals also will get. Out of this here, this we call sigma 2pz. So you can see here sigma 2pz, and these are pi bond or pi orbital. These are, so I am writing here pi 2px equal to pi 2py. This is pi star 2px equal to pi 2py. Pi star this also, and sigma star 2pz. Generally here sigma 2pz and sigma star 2s orbital, this participating intermixing, then sigma 2pz orbital energy increases, that is before oxygen. But here energy gap is more between these two orbitals. More the energy gap, they can't intermix. That is here given for oxygen atom, 15 electron volts they given. So more energy gap means they can't intermix, so they won't form different structures. So this is, we can apply for more than 14 electron system. Now what is the energy order? You can write it. So very easy, you can write energy order. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Then you can take it here, sigma 2pz, then pi. I am going to be concentrate only middle one. Please keep in mind, only middle one is our target, not adjacent one. Adjacent one is atomic orbitals. Our target only middle one, those are molecular orbitals. Sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, 2 sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, then sigma 2pz, then followed by pi 2px, pi 2py. Pi 2px equal to pi 2py. We have to see only order, increasing order. E, this is E means energy that increasing bottom to top. After that pi star 2px equal to pi star 2py. Then sigma star 2pz is the last one. We can discuss O2 molecule formation here. O2 electronic configuration is oxygen electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Got it? This is electronic configuration. I am taking this is one oxygen atom here, left side and right side is another oxygen atom. We are filling electrons according to electron configuration of atom. So I am writing here 1s2, 2 electrons, 2s2, again 2 electrons, 2p4. You can write it here 4 electrons. Similarly, another oxygen atom also. This I am taking oxygen atom. This is also another oxygen. So here also 2 electrons. You can write it. Here 4 electrons. You can write it. After that, intermixing they form molecular orbitals. So I need to fill electrons in molecular orbitals. I need to fill electrons in molecular orbitals. So please check it here. First you have to fill which is the least energy orbital here, sigma 1s. We have to follow this order. First sigma 1s, then followed by sigma star 1s, then sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, like that. So here number of electrons I wrote generally. So maximum each box can accommodate 2 electrons. Each box can accommodate 2 electrons. That's I'm writing here. So this is 2 electrons because 4 electrons is there. 4 we are filling here. Then here 2 electrons in sigma 2s. Then again 2 electrons sigma star 2s. Then here total 8 electrons is there. 2p4. 2p4 means here 2p orbital is there. 8 electrons is there. In that 8 electron first I am filling 2 here. Here you have to fill each box 1 electron, then followed by pair up. Like normal case only you are filling, like normal case, which you have followed previously atomic orbitals filling, same thing you have to follow here. Now 6 electrons completed, then remaining electrons you have to write it here, 2 electrons, here 1 electrons and here 1 electrons equally. So here 2 electrons is there, you can see 2 unpaired electrons, 2 boxes, each box contain 1 electron. Now I am filling here electronic configuration with respect to configuration also you can see here. So same thing we can get it from diagram. You can check it. Sigma 1s2. Already we got it. Sigma 1s2. You can check it here. Bottom to top you can write. How many electrons is here? Here. 2 electrons. Then sigma star 1s how many electrons? 2 electrons. Please find it. 2 electrons. Next sigma star sigma 2s how many? 2 electrons. Sigma star 2s 2 electrons. Sigma 2pz how many electrons here? 2. Next, this is also sigma pi, 2px also 2, 2py also 2. Then pi star, 2px, 2py, each one have 1 electron. So 1 electron means that is unpaired electrons, each box they contain. Then they have unpaired electrons, that is paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Paramagnetic. So O2 have paramagnetic nature because 2 unpaired electrons is there, 2 electrons is unpaired. So paramagnetic. Paramagnetic. So you can find out here which one have unpaired electrons. Those can attract towards magnetic field. Then we can say paramagnetic. So that too they present here anti-bonding orbitals, pi star. So anti-bonding means high energy orbitals. You can remove easily those electrons. Questions have that one. O2 is paramagnetic. That is explained by according to which theory? MOT. Please keep in mind. Then we can say O2 plus and O2 minus. O2 plus means we need to add 1 electron here. Sorry, O2 plus means you have to remove this electron. You are removing only 1 unpaired electron is there. So you can remove plus means you have to remove electrons from that is anti-bonding orbital. O2 minus, suppose I am telling O2 minus. O2 minus means we have to add 1 more electron here. So total this we should not remove, then we have to add 1 more electron. So extra electron we have to add. Even that's also they have only 1 unpaired electron because this is the only unpaired. But O2 2 minus means we have to add 2 electrons, that is pair up. 0 electrons, 0 unpaired electrons. O2 2 plus means you have to remove all the electrons. 2 plus means you need to remove 2 electrons from here. So no unpaired electrons. That is the O2 2 plus. So what you can find out, always think about last shell electrons. If plus means you have to remove electrons, 0 electrons here, 0 unpaired electrons. So 0 means diamagnetic. O2 plus, O2 minus O2. These three are paramagnetic. Then O2 2 minus O2 2 plus. Zero unpaired electrons. Zero unpaired means diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic. So almost we discuss these things. In B2 molecules, I discussed my previous video, MOT-1 video that is I given. You can check it that is. So B2 also paramagnetic, B2 plus also paramagnetic, B2 minus also paramagnetic, O2 paramagnetic, O2 plus paramagnetic, O2 minus paramagnetic. Even recently JE question also they given. Even you can expect next NEET also. S2 molecule also paramagnetic like O2 molecules. So all these are paramagnetic in nature. You may can get questions. These are integer type questions. Then you can write B2 2 plus, B2 2 minus, O2 2 plus, O2 2 minus. These are diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic. Please try to subscribe. If you like this one, share to others. That depends upon your opinion. If you feel this is useful, please share it and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.